Got anything to say to PPP?
Project professionals, man. This is why.
This is our why. Oh!
Yes, I almost got it.
Cam, when's the last time you've been on Project Program Professionals?
3 or 4 years ago.
Well, you're making a return.
PPP. Oh.
She's complaining a lot. She's bitching. Yeah, it's pretty far.
Holy shit! What the fuck?
It honestly had a pretty good angle.
You almost got it. You're over it. Keep going. Alright, you need to bring it back to where it was. Just roll it. Why don't we throw this thing over?
Fast. Well done. That's how you do it. Yeah? Alright. How's water?
Okay. Yo, sick backflip, bro. Sweet ride.
The one that he picked up was plus size.
Oh yeah?
One of them.
She was just a little thicker.
One of them was plus size.
She wasn't plus size.
But you know, it's his kind of taste.
Martin.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna do the same shit.